Today this video is going to be about daily life tricks and tips. If you are one of those people who want to make their car look better, here's the tip on how to improve the appearance of the wheel rims. Sometimes you may lose center caps, which are plastic and have plastic clips, and they sometimes also break and you can't fit them back. And you get this nasty view with nuts or bolts and this center with other nuts that keep the wheels attached to the axles. So what you can do is to buy these nut caps, to put them on the bolts, and also you can buy plastic center caps like this and put them in here. But sometimes it's not easy to find the right size. For example, in my case I bought this one, but the clips were too long, so I had to sand them off a little bit. And it's important that you have this metal ring in there, which is like a spring which pushes the clips outside towards the walls of the rim. On high speeds the center caps may fall off, so it's important that this metal ring exerts enough power towards the walls of the rims. So you can see here there's this metal part here. If the clips here are too long, when you put them on, they may not enter 100%. So you have to sand it off. But while sanding the clips off, you need to make sure that you still have this metal ring inside. Otherwise, without this metal ring, the center cap will fall off. I was lucky to find one, and I'm able to put it in like this. And it's been there for years and never fell off. And it looks nice. You can also put some stickers here. As you can see, these parts are plastic, so with time the paint peels off, but they're very cheap and you can change them with time. How do you find the right size? For that you would need maybe a special tool which is called caliper. So with the caliper you can measure the size of the nut, and if you have enough space here you can also measure the diameter of the hole in which you would fit in the center cap. But not all rims are the same. Sometimes you may have difficulties to use the caliper tool here, and you'll have to find other ways to get the right size of the center hole.